I have a Hyundai Santa Fe, and I travel with it. Pull my camper, which is beside me right now. But I want to show you something that happens. Sometimes, if you go to back up, watch my mirror. There's nothing behind me. I'm not hooked to the camper or anything. Watch this. I'm going to put it in reverse. Look what it does. It looks down at the ground. Then as soon as I take it out of reverse, it goes back up. Or if I put it in reverse and back up, back, trying to see what the heck I'm doing, and then put it in drive, it comes back up. So, I've noticed here a while back I was doing that, even when there was nothing behind me, it was doing that. But then one day I was in the car and it quit doing it. Right here, if you look down here, the first thing I do when I get in the car, especially after my wife's been driving it, is adjust the mirrors. I'll usually adjust the right one and I adjust the left one. And then I back up. And crap, look at it. But put it in neutral, not right or left. Put it in reverse. I'm not sure about this, but I'm gonna flip it to left. The right one does the same thing. So it only happens. Oh wait. Nope, it'll do it even right or left. So if you don't leave the switch in the middle, that switch right there, the remote control for your mirror, your Hyundai is gonna look at the ground, which really sucks when you're trying to back up a trailer. Anyway, I wanted you to know that. Like I say, it's just a quick little hint. You wouldn't believe how many of these wild buttons I've pushed trying to get that to stop doing it. And it was so simple. All you got to do, look at that. I'd left it right, put it in the middle. That's all you've got to do. That's it. I love it. That was the only thing I didn't like about this Hyundai to tow with. Okay, bye for now. Don't forget. What are you not forgetting? You're forgetting to subscribe. Bye-bye. Hey, did you subscribe? Come on, that's all I'm asking. I don't want no money. I don't want no donations. I don't want any presents. I just want you to subscribe. Bye.